This is a great example of a roof. There's some algae growth from being under this tree. The gutters are full on both sides. This is the front, but there is no damage present as far as storm damage goes. No hail, no wind, nothing that's of any significance. Insurance is claiming there is curling shingles. Again, I don't see anything curling. The roof is uninsurable due to age. But the age claims 20. Let's see if you switch around there. 2013, October 2013 is when this pipe boot was made. Obviously, it was installed after that at some point. There is no evidence of any manipulation of the pipe boot, meaning it wasn't replaced later on after the roof. It looks like it was the original to this roof. Again, more clogged gutters. There's a HVAC stack here as well as here. This one, that's an issue for sure. That needs to be replaced. We do recommend replacing the flashings. It's about every other roof. Those should be replaced. And you can see evidence of the rust. Again, another pipe boot, 2013, October. You see nails starting to rust. This is able to be pulled out, so we would recommend a roof maintenance on this. More clogged gutters if it does have the ridge vent. So again, I mean, there's just technically nothing wrong with this roof other than some algae needing some maintenance. But there's no reason this shouldn't last at least another 4 or 5 years minimum.